Want to know how to add caching to your code in Cursor AI? So caching is sometimes important in order to compute results faster and run calculations faster, as it saves the data temporarily. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add caching to Cursor AI. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, just simply open up your Cursor AI application. So we have also created some videos regarding Cursor AI, so make sure to watch it. So once you have opened up your Cursor AI, and you should be on the Discord right here. And now once you're on Discord, here you should be just able to just simply select the entire code, just simply select Ctrl+A. And now once you've selected Ctrl+A, here you should be seeing a quick edit right here. So now once you've selected quick edit, here you should be seeing a prompt coming up. Just simply type in this blue. So once I've typed in this code, just simply select enter, and your code should be changed just like this right here. And once that is done, you should be good to go. Just simply like keep and you're good. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.